Team coverage continues now with Action News Jack's medical expert, Dr. Michelle Aquino with Baptist, joining us live here in the studio. And Dr. Aquino, break down some of the exceptions to employer vaccine mandates.
All right, this is interesting. Here are 4 things that are usually brought up as reasons to have exemptions, and only one of them is true. The only one that is true for this list is a reaction to the first dose. Because most people have never received this vaccine before, they don't know if they're going to have a reaction. So if you've had the first dose of a Pfizer or Moderna and you have a significant anaphylactic reaction, then you can be exempt from further doses of that vaccine. Otherwise, breastfeeding and pregnancy, it's FDA approved. The vaccines are monoclonal antibody treatment. If you receive that, you have to wait 90 days after your treatment to start the vaccine series, but that does not mean you do not get the vaccine. You need to still get it. And then religious exemption. There is no pork in the vaccine, so Muslims were bringing this up. That's not a reason to not get it. And also Christians were saying that the fetal cell lines used in making these vaccines, which is true, would be a reason for exemption. The only issue is that if you really are so stringent with the fetal cell line theory or the argument, that means you do not take aspirin, you do not take Tylenol, you do not take Maalox, and there is a long list of things that we take every day in life that used fetal cell lines in production. So really, most people will not be able to use any of these excuses except for, again, significant reaction to the first dose. That's the only real medical reason right now.
All right, Dr. Aquino, thank you for that information. Now, if you have a question that you want Dr. Aquino to answer, send it to us at Action News Jax. You can send it to this email, askthedoc@actionnewsjax.com, and you could get your question answered on TV.